It's a healthy afternoon, everyone. Please join us. Let's plant veggies. Have you guys see? My husband was fixing grass and pists to our tomatoes. By the way, our tomatoes has bear its fruits. Me and my husband plants a 1.4 thousand of tomato plant. I was surprised when I saw a little tomato fruits. It takes a month before it bears its fruits, but then it was so amazing. It's almost 1 inch and 2 diameter. In 1 month we saw the fruits of our effort and teamwork. But now let me share you some of our secrets of planting veggies without fertilizer. We just soaked the seeds in water before we put it in the planting area. Then watered it every day in 10 days, and we watered it with detergent or laundry soap to keep away from pists and keep their areas clean. No grass, no pists, no worms, so that it can keep its leaves healthy without worm bites. And do not even touch the flowers to avoid dropping or damaging it. It's like you and your boyfriend don't sleep together, so the future won't be ruined. Ha ha ha. If you guys trying or thinking something that not only can make you enjoy but can give a little extra, just plant veggies to save money, right? While my husband are busy fixing grass and pists, don't worry guys, I'm also busy taking a video of him. Now let's have some time slap. House hut at least. The plant there is sorry turnip and eggplant, cigarillos and peanuts. To plant is not even a joke. Can't stand, at least sit down, can't even bend over. But if this is one of your passion, do it with determination. Don't get tired of doing things that can make you empire. Becky's life is full of challenges. If you get tired, you may take a rest, but never to surrender. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't worry, soon I will make it more better than now. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get update to my new coming video.